and gentlemen, welcome back. With a vaccine for all adults, India has taken a big leap in the fight against COVID. But as we battle rising number of infections, do we in the short, immediate and medium term take more radical measures to immediately bring the situation under control? We here at the Republic Media Network support very strong radical measures to the point where some of the measures we are suggesting are being seen to be excessive by many of you, but believe me, viewers, this is all that's required. Extraordinary measures for extraordinary times. Should we bring more ammo in this war against the virus? Let's debate.
दिल्ली में कुछ दिन के लिए लॉकडाउन लगाना ज़रूरी है, तो आज रात को 10 बजे से अगले सोमवार को सुबह 5 बजे तक 6 दिन के लिए दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन लगाया जा रहा है.
The Delhi mini lockdown has kicked in, but not before rampant violations.
We'll try to show you as to how now people are standing in this long queue. That's the one part of this queue. You can see that they have now lined up here because they feel that for the next 1 week they are not going to get it, and that's why they have come here. You can see that they are not even maintaining social distance and standing in this long queue.
A few kilometers from Delhi, despite appeals for calm, there was a rush to return home.
You can clearly see that situation. This is horrible condition at Kaushambi bus stand, where the migrants and other who are not the citizens of Delhi, or rather Delhi wages labourer, or rather is from outside, is now continuously moving towards the railway station, towards the bus stand.
There are COVID villains who just don't get the message. And then there are these people.
क्या कर लोगे? किसने रोकी मेरी गाड़ी? क्या कर लोगे? किसने रोकी मेरी गाड़ी? आराम से तुम चला ले रोक मेरे से. तुम सुबह से शाम तक लेडी पुलिस कहाँ है? सुनो सुबह से शाम तक सारे के सारे रोक लो मुझे. जल्दी बुलाओ कौन भी बात कराएगी. और तुम गाड़ी को हाथ आगे दिखा दो, चाबी को चलो. चलिए लगाइए चाबी का हाथ लगा. सर चालान आए बड़े चालान. अरे पुलिस वाले फ्रीस्ता है, शर्म कम बंद. नॉर्मल पब्लिक से सुन ले जाओ मैडम, चालान भी करेंगे, एफआईआर भी करेंगे.
COVIDiots who do more harm and act as a deterrent in the battle against COVID. Tonight, these numbers should be a wake-up call as India faces a grim situation in the second wave. 2.73 lakh daily cases. 79% surge from 10 states. 1.19% mortality rate. Upward trajectory in 20 states. 5 states accounting for 63.18% cases. 85.11% deaths from 10 states. And 12.81% is the national positivity rate. So how does India deal with these numbers? The vaccine drive has been expanded. The Oxygen Express is chugging. As the Prime Minister met top doctors and top pharmaceutical sector experts, the focus shifts to what India can do next.
During this meeting, there were a couple of points which I put across to our Honorable
Prime Minister. So one of the things is we need to strengthen our telemedicine capabilities, which we have very good capabilities already. And unfortunately, with so much of focus on COVID, these non-COVID conditions do not get adequate focus. And therefore, I feel that some hospitals at least should be focusing on non-COVID care.
Parties are curbing campaigns as we enter the COVID war mode again. Is India on the right track? Let's debate.